ready to turn your WhatsApp into a powerful sales engine with seamless payments. First, log into your Aisensy account and navigate to the Integrations section. This is where the magic begins. Look for the WhatsApp Pay integration option. It might be under Payment Gateways or similar. Click on it. Next, you'll need to connect your WhatsApp business account to your preferred payment gateway. Aisensy supports popular options like Razorpay, Payu, and others. Choose the gateway you want to use and follow the on-screen instructions to link your accounts. This usually involves entering API keys or authenticating through your gateway's dashboard. Now, it's time to create a payment request within your Aisensy workflow. When setting up your chatbot sequence or broadcast message, look for the option to add a WhatsApp Pay button. This button will be what your customers click on to initiate the payment. Configure the payment request by specifying the amount, currency, and a brief description of the product or service. Make sure the information is clear and accurate so your customers know exactly what they're paying for. When a customer clicks the WhatsApp Pay button, they'll be redirected to a secure payment page within WhatsApp. They can then choose their preferred payment method, like UPI or debit card, and complete the transaction. It's quick, easy, and secure. Once the payment is successful, you'll receive a notification in your Aisensy dashboard, and the order status will be updated automatically. You can then proceed with fulfilling the order and providing excellent customer service. By integrating WhatsApp Pay with Aisensy, you're not just simplifying payments, you're boosting customer satisfaction, streamlining your sales process, and driving revenue. Start using WhatsApp Pay today and see the difference.